Welcome everyone, MrMTrades here with another educational video. This time we are talking about earnings play and earnings continuation and follow through play. On this example with PDD ticker that we played on the 27th of May after good earnings report, we alerted this to our members for entry at 44.15, which is round about here, with a nice stop loss at 42. And it was a great trade. So far, it delivered a 10% result. And today I want to talk about a little bit about this setup, how to identify it, and how to play it to your advantage, because this pattern just continues to repeat and is worth knowing. So what do we want to know? So following ER, right? You usually, if they're good, you usually get a spike up, right? Which we did over here. We got a new high in the pre-market that run up to 46.50. Okay, but unlike with our momentum plays, 46.50 might be a bit too much, right? So it's worth watching this play right at the open, right over here. And as a rule of thumb, we never enter trade in the first 5 to 10 minutes opening range, because we want to see the direction that a stock is taking. Hope that's clear. So 5-10 minutes, we don't touch it, because sometimes we get a gap ups and then a steady decline for the rest of the day. So we want to sort of put ourselves in a better position where we have the probability of it actually moving higher. And that's exactly what happened here. So let's break it down. So first 10 minutes, we sort of opening, tried to push higher, but then failed, right? And then we get a 20 minutes of sort of decline. And then as we get to a 42 level, we get this nice bottoming tail, which is good bullish indication, right? But that's not our entry just yet. But this pullback really gave us our stop loss and risk level, right? Which is 42. So here's what we're looking for next. We're looking for a 5-minute candles trying to move above VWAP. And in this case, it did over here at above 44. And like I said, we've alerted this to our members for entry at 44.15, right over here. After which we got a small pullback, but still within our range. And then, what a beautiful trade. It sort of pretty much went up all day and finishing even stronger just before the market close and holding that level. So essentially on this trade, we've managed to get 2R return, so 2 to 1 risk reward, really good trade. We're still in that swing because the probability of it going higher in the next week or next couple of days is still there. And we're going to be just watching it closely and playing it. So just to recap, remember, wait the 5-10 minutes for the opening range, see the direction the stock is taking, and on the 5-minute candles, when it moves above VWAP, get your entry with a stop loss at the bottom of the day, and that should provide you with a nice day swing or trade. Or you can, if it moves really well, you can stay in it for a couple of days or weeks. Hope this is helpful. If you like this video, make sure to click the like and follow. Visit MrMTrades for more educational videos, and I'll talk to you soon.